Now no time for traffic, spaceship, change gear like a G-Shock if you watch it. Flick it on the ratchet, yeah, we're balling.
Fine. Whatever, where that come from, brother? And also you usually sold me.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jam Bisco, and I'm back with a hit and a smash and I'm from the see from the title, you know, people we are dealing with today. Today I'm there with a banger from none other than Jamaica's very own. You probably know him from IG and things like Vine. You know, he's not he wasn't an artist. You probably know him as a comedian. Yeah, I'm talking about none other than Prince Pine. Yeah, man, today I'm there with a banger from Prince Pine. It seems that he's taking music seriously, so it seems that he dropped a song entitled Pine Boss. You see me, he's a song on a video, so we're going to check it out and see. You see me, see what's up, see if it's a hit or a miss, you know what I'm saying? So, if you're new to the channel, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And for my returning viewers and subscribers, I appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. We're going strong over here. Appreciate everything, man. We're going to do numbers. Latest channel on YouTube, reactions, everything. As in I say, yeah, man, we're latest and we don't get lit and lit. Wait for the prize and surprise start. You see me? So I kick off. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, guys, watch check out a new track and a video from Prince Pine entitled Pine Boss. Yeah, man, we can see what I'm going. Let's get it.
Yo, Kevin, that one you see. Spaceship change different, you know. Pine Boss.
Oh, dog, sounds so serious, yo, Kevin. Let's see what's so serious for the chat, dog. Yo!
Now no time for traffic, spaceship, change gear like a G-Shock if you watch it. Flick it on the ratchet, yeah, we're balling.
Fine. Where that come from, brother? And also you usually sold me, Gina. Where that come from? Pumbo, you must start to have a thing down, must have a thing serious. Pumbo Clark, come in.
Yo, Kevin, that one you see. Spaceship change different, you know. Pine Boss. Now no time for traffic, spaceship, change gear like a G-Shock if you watch it. Flick it on the ratchet, yeah, we're balling like we might teach them how to change the tactics. Draws disappear, something sick.
He wants it ball like I want them to change the tactics, blood. I say I move, Pine. Hey, me G, I say I move. Blood play you are going.
A lot of magic, say me sleep on a boat up in your middle passage. Bad dog and a little thin sausage, and if we get catch me at the alien in the attic. Pine Boss. Money just nothing, no. Pine Boss. Why the girl them love me so? Pine Boss.
But the money just nothing, no. Pine Boss. Why the girl them love me so? Pine Boss. And I think they're the fun, eh? Pine Boss. And I think you're going with Bumbo Clark, yeah,
so bill for a while, them a change up his style so smooth. Tell them hurry up. Pine Boss. Clean everywhere we go. Pine Boss.
Hey, don't play with Pine, they don't have girl them too, you know.
The girl them love me so. Pine Boss. So bill for a while, them a change up his style so smooth. Tell them hurry.
Hey, don't play with the dog, you know.
Pine Boss.
Don't play with the dog, you know, they don't have girl them too, you know. I mean, I work on this thing, but yeah, we girl them too, you know, don't play the Pine Boss.
Clean everywhere we go. Pine Boss. Fans them a say picture. Pine Boss. Me no novice, we actives, no two chatting down.
Bumbo Clark, we no novice, we active, no two tech chattings. I want to go and find their leaks to me, G. Hey, don't play the youth, you know, he might tell joke, but he now no joke. Hey, run to me so hard.
Like coal lava breezing through whole lava Honda, no whole lot of fuck hard and her mother make them bad, oh na na. What me name?
Pine Boss.
Alright then, give me brain.
I true say sweet like an name.
Arcane on the main on the song.
What you saying?
Make we dance now the rain in a hear what me saying, but yo, watch you now. My style them sweet vanilla syrup. Diamond for a while, now you want Europe. God knows I me love it when you back it up and broke it like a coffee cup. Then
You don't play the youth, you know. You don't play with the hey, yo, Pine. Yeah, I want to take the music thing more serious, you know me, G. Yeah, man, I saw you go on, man. The dog bad with the comedy and the dog bad with the music, no? Bumbo clad. Yeah, your dog to one can make some hits, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. No go and do no blood clot thing. I'll panic. Hey, who the girl? Pine, who the girl? Pine? Yo, Pine, what go on, me G? What go on? Set the link no dog. No dog. Set the link no me G. Go on the Pine
Pine
boss.
boss, money just nothing up. Pine boss, why the girl them love me so? Pine boss, my bill for a while, them a change up his style so smooth. Tell them hurry up. Pine boss, lean everywhere me go. Pine boss, fans them a say picture. Pine boss, me no novice, we active, no two tech chatting Now no time for traffic, spaceship, change gear like a G-Shock if you watch it. Move. Flick it and a ratchet, yeah, we balling like we might teach them ox for change the tactic.
Hey, blood clot. Me no know, so I say you go on me G. Me no know, say I say you're musically inclined. You see what I say? That man I do thing, man. Yeah, man, that cause you do your music right now, and you see me? Like, I don't know, joke thing, you see what I say? And you have enough people do that, you know? Enough people try to do that, like doing comedy, build up them followers and them views, and you see me, I say? And then they try to branch off at the music thing, and it don't work out for a lot of people, you see me? But you do your thing right now, and you see me, thing seem legit, you see me, I say thing look up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, it's a good look, dog. Keep it, me just want to take it serious. You see me, I say, I'm going to do your thing, dog, and see where you can go, you can grow, you see me? You know, any other doors, you see what I say? But you know, just do your thing, me G, you know what I say, dog. Look. Hey, thing up, me thing, man, go on do your thing.
Jaws disappear, something similar to magic. Say me sleep on a boat up in a your middle passage. Hot dog and a little thin sausage. And if we get catch me at the alien in the attic. Pine boss, money just nothing up. Pine boss, why the girl them love me so? Pine boss, been for a while, them a change up his style so smooth. Pine boss.
Hey,
Fans them
man,
a say picture.
like the visuals them too, no dog. Yeah, the visual them mad too, no. Yo, how the place say that? Bumbo clad Pine. Me no know, say I say I go on me G. Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. Me like the thing, man, dog. Yeah, do your thing, dog. Thing up, man. Thing look official. You see me, I say, you know, look like another joke thing. You know, look like, say, yo, you was a comedian and you're trying music. Look like, yo. You see me, a music, you're there, dog. Go and do your thing, man. And, yo, the thing they do with Blood Cleat. You're bridging to one the song of the year, too. You see me, me think me do all the reaction for that. And I think, how me do that video? Do you upload that Blood Cleat? I think you get to upload it, or something happen and I probably take it down, but yes, that song in mad, man. You look over so you do on the yard. You see me, I say, but yeah, man, it's a good look, dog. You do your music thing now, it's a good look. Me like it. People, let me know what you think in the comment section. You see me? Let me know. Me see the fire emoji, garbage can emoji, whatever on the thing. Let me know. You see me? You like the lyrics, you like the song. What you think? Did Pine do a good job? You see me? If you stick to comedy or whatever, let me know in the comment section down below. If you like it, definitely go show your artist some love. You see me? I'm making no such jam discussing, but keep all hate over here, so don't go over there so with no hate. You see me, I say I love what we do it, so keep all hate over here. So if you don't like it, you know in my comment section, don't go over there so no fuck you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I really, yeah, man. Really, it's a vibe. You see me, I say. You see me? I'm curious to see what might come with after this. You see me, and if you continue and see. So the growth in the pan. You see me, it's a good look, man. So keep doing your thing with G. Yeah, man. Really dope track, guys. You don't know. The boy Jam Biscuit was here, then I hit and I smash him. Bang, line of people. You see me? Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. It's the boy Jam Biscuit. Love you guys. And I'm out.